Man, this crew is hungry this morning. Whoa. Oh, take it easy. Guineas and chickens and turkeys, oh my. Don't worry, everybody's gonna get some. All right, Guinea. We all know I'm here. We all know I'm here. Look at our little frizzle frazzle. Isn't she cute? She's a unique little bird. She came with us from Louisiana. Look at frizzle frazzle. All kinds of unique birds. Different varieties, Americanas. Is that my boy Chip? Is that my boy Chip? No? I got two birds that look just like Chip. Oh, is that Chip? There's my boy Chip. Hey, bud. Come here, bud. No? Come on, Chip. I got you on camera, man. Be nice. Come here, bud. Chip. Come on, Chip. Come here, bud. It's okay. It's okay. You know I'm not gonna hurt you. Come here. Attaboy. Attaboy. This is my best rooster, Chip. He's too small to eat, but he's too friendly to get rid of. So that's that. Ain't right, bud? Yeah. He's the only one that let me catch him. All right, I'll put you down. There you go. All right. Got one more buck to put some feed in. Until next time.